The 1989 GMC Vandura 2500 conversion van. V8 5.7 liter, 8-passenger modular seating, 2-wheel drive, and only 45,000 miles on this gorgeous conversion van. Come on inside, let me show you this 1989 GMC Vandura. Hey everyone, thanks for looking at this 1989 GMC Vandura 2500 3/4 ton cab. This is a Zimmer Motor Vans conversion for the 1989 GMC Vandura. The vehicle has a clean Carfax, 1 owner, no accidents. Sorry if I'm zooming in, I'll zoom out for you here. The chrome is in impeccable condition. No rust whatsoever on any bits of the chrome, any of the bezels. The only thing you have here is a little fading on the GMC sign. The tires are in good condition. They are all Hankook 15-inch tires. As we move on into the inside, you got power windows, power locks, AM FM stereo with Bluetooth. It's definitely an upgrade there. You also have your alarm system that does work. You have a telephone with your Bluetooth radio that syncs to your phone. If you have a new smartphone, of course, we're in 2018. 45,000 original miles there. There's your GMC steering wheel, real nice logo, still in great condition. AC blows very, very cold. It is in great condition, front and rear. Wait till you see these windows. Look at this. Look how fast these windows go up and down. There's the right side there. So these vans were great for the family. This actually sits 8 people. Here's the passenger side of the conversion van. The seats are in impeccable condition. There's no rips, tears, or breaks in any of the, I guess you could call it, felt cloth material. Here is the rear of the van. Wood accent, power locks, like I said. The chrome right here is in great shape if you want to open and close the window there. You have your skylights there, dual skylights. Rear direct lighting and courtesy lighting. You also have your rear drink courtesy beverage table, folding rear seat that turns into a bed, and in the back here you have optional cooler with clothing hanger, ladder to access the roof, and it is in impeccable condition. I don't think anyone's ever actually sat back here, dealt with any of this stuff, but it is in fabulous condition, and we are going to sell it. If you like this vehicle, please give me a call at 954-394-6581. We do ship all across the United States, and we also pick up at Fort Lauderdale International Airport. I'm going to go ahead and give it a little test drive now and show you how she runs. Here we go. All right, so we're driving the 1989 GMC Vandura 2500 van. We're going about 35 miles per hour here in a residential neighborhood, and it is driving beautifully. It's not acting up, it's shifting great. It's not moving side to side, it's not pulling. It drives straight down the road, no issues whatsoever. And I'm happy to say that this is a van I'm not gonna wanna sell. If you like this van, please give us a call, 954-394-6581. My name is Rick. You can also call Jack at 954-520-9751. We will pick you up at the local airports here in Fort Lauderdale. And if you like this YouTube video, please subscribe. Chasing Profits at Chasing Profits on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care.